We all love our plants like they are our own children, and we always want to give them the best products which we can afford. And often the branded products are found to be more effective for our plants than the local or duplicate ones. If you want to purchase branded premium quality fertilizer, pesticide, fungicide for your plants, and that's also online all over the India, then this video is for you. Before starting the video, I must mention that this is not a paid promotion. This is just a suggestion. Watch the entire episode without skipping it. So let's begin. Welcome to my channel Grow and More. So in this episode, we'll be looking at the best place where you can buy fertilizer, pesticide, fungicide and all the gardening needs for your plants online in India. You need to go to the Google and type Agritell, A-G-R-I-T-E-L-L. The first link you will find here, this agritell.com. From there, you can open their sites. You can create your account there, or you can purchase everything as a guest. All the facilities are available there. They have the entire collections of fungicide, insecticide, plant growth regulator, all the fertilizers and also organic products. You can purchase everything at a very cheap price. So in the fungicide, you can see they have the entire collection from very popular and branded company. And this is their collection of insecticide or pesticide. You can find there. For example, this is Confidor from Bayer. This is another pesticide, basically excellent miticide for your plant. This is named as Oberon, again from the company Bayer. Also you can find various micronutrients in their collection. For example, this is Mobomin from the company Aries, and you can buy this at a very cheap price from this site. These are the collection of their water soluble fertilizers or chemical fertilizers. You can find the famous company like Aries or Samrock overseas. Everything you can find there. You can also find various organic products in their collection like the Super Sonata from the company HPM or the pesticide Kaka from the company Vedic, and this is a very useful pesticide if you want to go in organic way. You can also find the neem oil. This is a 10,000 ppm neem oil, Nimazal. You can also find plant growth regulator or PGR. They have huge collection for this. You can buy Miraculan or like Planofix or Booster, Bumper, everything you can find there. You can also find the root hormone or cutting it in their collection. They also sell seeds, but I'll not go there because there are other popular sites for this. And I'll soon make a video about the best place from where you can buy imported seeds. And you can look at the brands they are selling. They are very famous like Aries, Barrix, Bayer, Indophil, HPM, JU, UPL, Vedic, Syngenta and many others. The best thing about their site is they also mention the expiry date of their products. Like for example, this is a seaweed BioVitex and you can find the expiry date here. And for every product, they have mentioned their expiry date. And this is very good in my opinion. You can also buy humic acid from there. For example, this is Humate from the company Symbiosis. This is also very good for your plant root system and the overall growth. These are some of their shipping policy. You can pause the video and read it. They will ship their products within 24 hours after getting the orders. And the products will be delivered within a week. That's very prompt response. They have also excellent cancellation and refund policy. They offer 7 days return and cancellation from the date of that delivery to you. And also as a bonus, their company also have preventive policy for COVID-19. To give you some example, I bought here just 2 products and I received the product within 7 days of my purchase date. Previously I bought many things from their site and they are all excellent, I must say. Here are a few examples of those products. Mostly for the fertilizer I use from the company Aries. They are very good. They are a little bit expensive, but in my experience, they work pretty well in our climate. For example, this is Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate from Aries, and this is a very premium quality and you can find Epsom salt like this from any shop or from any medicine shop or local garden store. Let's unbox these items. This is their address. So the packaging is pretty decent in my opinion. I bought just 2 products. This is Mobobin micronutrients from the company Aries. You can read the percentage of the micronutrients in this product. And I also bought the organic seaweed in granular form from BioVita. So you just go to their site and look at the products they sell, and you won't regret buying things from their site. Again, this is not a paid promotion. This is just a suggestion to all my viewers. And the last thing, after unboxing any product, you should wash your hand using a proper sanitizer. That will be all for today. If you find this video useful, please like, share and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in a brand new episode at Grow and More.